Data collection. What's the second one? Data preparation. Now in your hand you have the qualified data. Am I correct? Are you clear? What's the third stage? What's the third stage? Choose the correct algorithm for your task. Are you clear? So listen, different types of algorithms are there. See, machine learning is divided into 3 types: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. So already we learned. So different types of algorithms are there. See here, under the regression, linear polynomial, then decision tree, random forest. For classification we are using KNN tree, logistic regression, navy based in SVM. Okay. For association rule mining we are using a priori algorithm, then FP, growth. Different types of algorithms are there. Depends your problem, you just select the best one. That is the third process. Are you clear? Hope you understand, guys. What's the fourth one? Is training the model. So these are all the different types of algorithms are there. So where we are applying the classification, clustering. Where we are applying the classification in real cases, disease detection, then email spam detection, then image classification, bank loan prediction. For clustering, where we are applying search engines, face recognition, marketing, then recommender systems. Okay, these are all the real case examples where we are applying the different models. Depends on your problem, you just select the model. Depends on your problem, you just select the model. That is the third stage of the ML process. Okay, what's the fourth one? Train the machine learning. Okay. So listen, you just concentrate here because this is important for your all programming, all data analytics problems. Okay. So whenever we are dividing the data set into training samples and test samples, either we select first ratio or second ratio. Okay. What's the first ratio? 80% is allocated to training samples, remaining 20 is allocated to test samples. This is first way. Otherwise, you just select 70%, allocate the 70% to training samples, remaining 30 to test samples. This is the best split up of training into test. Okay, why we need to divide the data set into training and test? We need to practice the machine. We need to, we are giving the data set to learn by the machine. Okay, that's why we are dividing the data set into training and testing samples. Okay. So what's the percentage? What's the ratio given to the training and testing? Maximum of data set is given to, maximum of instance is given to training samples. Okay, so see here 80 or 70 is allocated to training, remaining 20 or 30 is allocated to test. Hope you understand, guys. Why we need to do this? To practice the machine on the existing data set. Hope you understand. We go to the next. What's the next one? Evaluating the model. Then the last stage is prediction. Okay. So what do you mean by evaluating means once we completed all the process, okay, collected the data is converted into meaningful informations, okay, machine gained the knowledge from the experienced, existing data set, all are completed. Now I am going to evaluate whether the machine give the correct output or not with the help of evaluating techniques. Are you clear, guys? I am going to check whether machine give the correct output or not with the help of evaluating measures like, what's the name of that one? Accuracy finding or precision, then recall. Okay, different types of techniques are there to evaluate the machine. You just apply any one of the technique. Okay, so that is called as evaluation. What do you mean by evaluation? We are checking the machine whether it gives the correct predictions or not. What's the last one? Prediction. Now after evaluating, if it gives a 90%, 92%, 96% means your machine is in good stage, good condition. Okay, so you just use your machine for the feature prediction. That is the last stage. Okay, what's the last stage? Prediction. Okay, so how many stages are there in the machine learning? 6. What's the name of the first one? Second one? Data pre-processing or preparation. Then the third one? Choosing the model. Fourth one? Trying the model. Then evaluate. Then predict. Hope you understand, guys. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to do the case study on diabetics database. Then the next one is product inventory. You just select any one of the data set to do the data wrangling. What do you mean by data wrangling? To avoid the noisy data. Okay, you just select any one of the case, either diabetics or product inventory. Apply the data wrangling to remove the NAN in this data set. Okay, are you ready to do that? Make it fast.